Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you're all fine. Let us start ninth day's lesson in 10th standard English medium arithmetic progression lesson. I won't go to revise what we studied in the previous day. We will directly come to today's lesson now. We will copy the first question of today. Before that one, I want to tell you, everyone should have one separate notebook for mathematics. Whatever sums I have given, you should copy all those sums in a single notebook. No other subject writing should be there in that one. In one side, you write down sums that are given by me. In another side, write sums those are discussed by Satish sir. I hope I made it clear to everyone. After the school reopens, we will check everyone's notebook. Whatever the lesson we have completed, it should be up to date. So those who are writing in pages, and they should properly file them and they should bring it to school. If you have mixed all the subjects in single note, start writing in separate notebook from today itself. From the beginning, we want them in single notebook. Okay. Now let us come to our topic now. Shall we copy the question? If nth term of an AP if everyone should copy, if nth term of an AP is 5n plus 3, then third term A3 is, it's a MCQ question, appeared in June 2019 annual paper. Shall we find the answer? A3 is equal to 5n, n should be replaced by 3, 5 into 3, then plus 3. Answer is how much? How much you got? 18. Correct. Copy next question. Write formula to find the sum of first n terms when first and last terms are given. When first and last terms are given. One short formula we will use to find sum of n terms. Do you recall? What is that? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. N by 2 into a plus l. I hope everyone completed. Next question. In an AP, sum of fourth and eighth term is 24. In an AP, Sum of fourth and eighth term is 24. Comma. Sum of sixth and tenth term is 44. Sum of sixth and tenth term is 44. Find the first three terms of AP. Find the first three terms of AP. Everyone copied the question? Now let us write what are given. Sum of fourth and eighth, not fourth term and eighth term, sum of four terms. Sum of fourth term and sum of eighth term is taken as A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Can we write the second relation? Sum of sixth and tenth term is 44. How do you write sixth term? A6. Tenth term A10. Sum means in between plus A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Now using AN formula, write A4 as A plus 3D, A8 as A plus 7D is equal to how much? 24. Two A plus 7 plus 3, 10D is equal to 24. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Can you identify the common factor for these three terms? Yes, very good. 2. 2 is the common factor. So let us divide this relation by 2. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Let it be equation 1. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Similarly, look at the second expression. A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. A6 will be replaced by A plus 5D. A10 will be replaced by A plus 9D is equal to how much? 44. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. While adding, we will get a 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Again, common factor 2. Let us divide by 2 to all the terms. What do we get? A plus 7D is equal to 22. Let it be equation 2. A plus 7D is equal to 22. Take it as a second equation. Now writing both the equations together, one below the other. Bigger value in the first line, smaller value in the second line. A plus 7D is equal to 22 minus A plus 5D is equal to 12. Subtraction. Change the sign of all the terms of the second line. 7D minus 5D is how much? 2D. 22 minus 12 is how much? 10. Therefore, what's D value? D value how much? 5. Let us substitute D value in A plus 5D is equal to 12. A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. How much you got for A? 12 minus 25. It comes negative minus 13. We are getting a negative value for A. Now 3 terms are asked. A is the first term, minus 13. Second term got by adding 5 to minus 13. What is answer? Minus 8. Then again adding 5 to minus 8. What is answer? Minus 3. So minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3 is the answer. I hope all of you completed. Let's move on to next sum. In an AP, AN is equal to 5n plus 3. Find A3. Easy substitution, no? 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. What is the answer for third term? 18. Shall we copy next sum? This is April 2017 question paper. The coming questions are from April 2017 paper. An is equal to n square plus 4. Find A2. An is equal to n square plus 4. Find A2. Can you substitute? In place of n, how much has to be written? 2. 2 square is how much? 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So what is the second term? 8. Shall we copy the next sum? In an AP, fourth term is 10. In an AP, fourth term is 10. 11th term is 1 more than 3 times the fourth term. 11th term is 1 more than 3 times the fourth term. Eleventh term is 1 more than 3 times the fourth term. What do you have to find? Find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Shall we see what are given? Fourth term is 10. How do you denote fourth term? A4 is equal to 10. Then 11th term is A11 is equal to 1 more than, more means always adding, plus 1. 3 times means 3 into. Fourth term means A4. A11 is equal to 3 into A4 plus 1. In place of A4, we will write A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equal to 10. Let it be equation 1. In place of A11, we will write A plus 10D is equal to 3 into, so we will use bracket. In place of A4, A plus 3D, close the bracket, then add 1. A plus 10D is equal to 3 into A plus 3D plus 1. Now multiply 3 inside the bracket. 3 into A, 3A. 3 3s are 9D plus 1. Right hand side. A plus 10D is equal to 3A plus 9D plus 1. Everyone completed? Next, shift A to right hand side. It will become 3A minus A. Then shift 10D also to right hand side. It will become 9D minus 10D. Bring 1 to left hand side. It will become minus 1. So the second equation obtained is 2A minus D is equal to minus 1. Since equation 1 has only one A, equation 2 has 2A, coefficient is 2 here, coefficient is 1 here. To make it 2, throughout the equation we should multiply by 2. Equation 1 into 2. Write first equation as it is, so put it inside bracket and write 2 outside. A plus 3D is equal to 10 into 2. Use bracket, otherwise we will multiply only to 10, but not so. We should multiply by 2 to A also, 3D also, 10 also. What is the new equation we got? 2A plus 6D is equal to 20. 2A plus 6D is equal to 20. Which is the second equation? 2A minus D is equal to minus 1. Write these two together. Which one has a bigger value? 2A plus 6D or 2A minus D? 2A plus 6D. Write it as first one. Second one, 2A minus D is equal to minus 1. Subtract, change the sign of the second equation. Two A cancels. 6D plus 1D is 7D. 20 plus 1 is 21. 7D is equal to 21. D will be how much? 7 3s are. Therefore, answer is 3. We have got 3 equation. Equation 1, then multiplied by 2 equation and second equation. Among them, least values are in equation 1. So, we will substitute D value. Any equation can be taken, but I will prefer the first one. A plus 3D is equal to 10. In place of D, 3. A plus 9 is equal to 10, a is equal to 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Is our work is completed? No. What is asked at the end? Find the sum of first 20 terms. 20 term sum means S20. For that one we need which formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute. Twenty by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 19 into 3, 10 into 2 plus 57, that is equal to 590. I hope everyone completed. Let us take a break.